89% of oil transport trucks still rely on outdated security systems. With nearly 9,000 tankers operating in the US and 12.5 million commercial trucks on the road today, this represents a huge threat. Even the newest trucks use old technology, leaving them vulnerable to attack. In this video, we will uncover a chilling demonstration of a drone hacking an oil truck's controls. Pulling back the curtain on the frightening realities of modern cyber threats, this isn't fiction. Picture this: an oil truck on a routine highway run. Suddenly, a drone appears overhead, its propellers slicing through the air. But this isn't just any drone. It's a sophisticated hacking machine. Within seconds, it breaches the truck's security system. The driver has no idea. The drone takes control of the accelerator. Alarms blare inside the cab, but it's too late. This isn't sci-fi. Partnered with Colorado State University's Cybersecurity Center, New Push reveals how easily critical infrastructure can be compromised. As technology evolves, so do the dangers, and the stakes have never been higher. Are you ready for the future of security? Are we ready for this brave new world? And remember, the next target could be anything or anyone. According to Gartner research, continuous threat exposure management can help safeguard your business against such emerging threats. Book an appointment to find out how this solution can be most effectively implemented in your organization. Contact us to book a visit of New Push Research Labs to find out more.